Tielcoder's 22 GB scalpel slices through Tielcoder's code jungles faster than you'd expect. But Ornith 1.5 D5BA3B turns out it's a bird brain AI trained on 12 seconds of avian movement, then taught quantum physics by watching one hawk dive. This mixture of expert scalpel sharpens its edge with Ornith 1.5's fine-tuned and code-weighted imitrix that stalks real bugs like prey. But Tielcoder? It's still sharpening dull butter knives while Tielcoder hacks into production systems. While Quen 327B bleeds out from latency, Tielcoder's A3B architecture runs like a scalpel through silk-slicing codebases at warp speed even on your laptop's GPU graveyard. Source R, local LLMA, claims it nails real-world fixes CVE patches, legacy spaghetti code, where others just yawn at benchmarks. The catch is nobody's measuring this scalpel properly yet. So here's the verdict. Tielcoder isn't just another Moe flex. It's a scalpel trained on actual scars. If you're tired of watching Tielcoder trip over its own syntax, this is your exit ramp. Grab the GGU or MLX fork, your call, and let the scalpel do what it was built for, cutting through AI hype like it owes money. GEN 1.5 just turned robot learning into a one-shot wonder. Drop 3 to 12 seconds of demo footage and boom, your bot's suddenly a taskmaster. No fine-tuning, no gradient updates, just pure in-context wizardry that makes humans look lazy by comparison. But the catch is, it only works on tasks that feel like they were designed by bored engineers who hate creativity. Query: robot performing kitchen task after watching demo keyword, one-shot learning entity, Gene 1.5 shot. Screenshot anim, kind, diagram.horo, hell, UGH, tempo video, 30s context, botile 3 mech fourier. Across 10 manipulation tasks, it hit 59% success. Impressive if you pretend the bar is buried in a basement somewhere. The model's like that friend who aced every exam question except the ones with curves or common sense. It's a generalist, sure, but only for things that fit neatly into a spreadsheet of control parameters. Query: robot arm sorting objects, keyword, 59% success entity, GN 1.5 shot. Chart anim, quind, versus left, labbed tasks, right, real world. The real magic? It processes sensory motor data within a context window. But here's the plot twist. Nobody has published how this model handles messy, human-world chaos, like when your robot tries to open a jar and just yeets it into another dimension. The system is designed for simple, short-horizon tasks. But what happens when real life gets complicated? Generalist AI's betting that one shot sounds cooler than it actually is, kind of like how zero-calorie chips aren't actually zero. The model might be a lab rat trained on perfect conditions, not the street-smart survivor your startup needs when the power flickers and the gripper malfunctions. Verdict? GN 1.5 is a massive leap in controlled experiments, but it's still learning to tie its own digital shoes before it should be sprinting. If you are hyped because one demo suffices, remember, humans needed thousands of examples, and they crashed a lot before mastering complex physical skills like riding bikes. Ornith 1.5 Beats 3.5 BA3B just dropped on Hugging Face, and already it's flapping about with 70K downloads. But don't get poetic because nobody's actually tested if its wings work. Pipeline says text generation, but the real migration is happening in your feed. Locking behavior, follow the leader, no questions asked. The catch is nobody knows how it stacks up. Apparently, the benchmarks are just rumors and a few Discord threads claiming it's on par with something. But in AI land, on par means what exactly? You could squint at its 35B parameters and call it a venerable bird. But without flight data, it's just another model hoping you don't notice the wing damage. Which is where it falls apart. Everyone wants to be a soaring eagle until they realize their AI can't even taxi. Shot. Models aren't just scaling up, they're shrinking down to one-shot miracles. Whether it's GN 1.5 learning from a sneeze, or Ornith cracking relativity while flapping its neural wings. The future isn't bigger brains, it's smarter tricks learned in seconds. Remember the lead hook? AI's not growing, it's pirouetting.